teach you how to download and install fonts on your Pixellab, or they have default font there, but maybe that default font you need them, but you have to now add different font that you find they are beautiful to you. So in so doing, you will go to Chrome. So open your Chrome. I will still manage as well. So when you open your Chrome, let it be on the default that then you come here, type that font which is there. That font. So when you finish typing, then you search. It will open and give you a lot of fonts. So let's say here we want to download a font that is in our head. You can go here. There is a search icon there. There is a search engine topic. You can come and type maybe any one you want to type in there. If it's here, you get it. If it's not there, maybe let's say you want to download this font, which is Dosa or whatever. You will just type on download here. Check at the side here. You see download. So you type on download and wait for it to download. So after downloading, you type on open. So when you type on open, it will come. This means you have to get maybe Furnace browser installed. So come and type on Furnace browser here. Then just once, or you can make it only that one here. So first of all, you come and type on zip any of this, but not the down one. That one is with glances. So you can type here on zip. When it opens, you have to come and type here move. So when you type move, you come and choose any whether SD card or internal storage. So when you choose internal storage like this, you come here. You can put it in any of the folders, but if you want, you can create a folder that you can put it in. So me, I have a folder that I want to put it in. So this is the folder SFB. That one you have to let it be in your head. Maybe the folder you are storing it inside. So FFB here. So then confirm. Okay. So after you confirm, then you have to now go and open your Pixellab. Yeah. So I'm going to open my Pixellab here. So when it's open like this one there to come, maybe something is on it already. So let's say I want to write 90. So that's how we are going to bring our font inside. So when you type maybe anything you type here, then you scroll and come to it where you see your font here. Type font. Then when it comes, you move it to my font. You see I have a lot of different type of install fonts here. So I can come and tap. You see there are two things here. So but we'll be using this first one. So when you tap on it, it will open and go send you to your storage. So when you come, maybe let's say when you come, it will be like this as your folder. So you look for the folder you have saved that font inside. This is the folder I've saved inside. I type on this. So I know all of you seen the font I downloaded. It's M font something. So this is it. So just tap on it and it will be installed. But for you to know that whether it has been installed or not, just come to the search bar. Let's type MPO. So M font something. It is here. So okay. That's how we install font, download and install font